everybody, and welcome to day 3 of 12 Days to Your Dream Job 2025, where I am alternating people skills with AI skills that you can use right away and in a short video. So today I'm going to speak to you about Perplexity AI. My name is Marie Gervais with Shift Management, and this is a tool, an AI tool that I use just about every day because it's a great research tool. And so I typed this command into it. Please explain to me how Perplexity AI can find references for my work research. And it answered me. It gave me all the ways I can do it with also sources. So with step-by-step sources. So I can click on any of those sources and find them immediately without having to search around and see if they're credible or not. They're right there. And then I asked for, please find academic sources for job trends in 2025. And it showed me technological advancements and digital skills. And when I clicked on the number 5, it took me right away to this article, Career Professionals of Canada, Labor Market Insights in Canada Moving into 2025. So you know it's a credible resource, which is very important because a lot of stuff in the internet is not credible. And this helps you to make sure you've got a credible source and that you're checking out the resource. And if you don't like it, you can ask Perplexity to give you something different. Now, something that I also haven't shown you yet that I think is quite useful is that you can choose the focus. So let me start a new thread. And I'm going to say job trends 2025. And I'm going to choose the focus right here. And I can choose either the web, academic, math, writing, video, or social. It's really cool. You can use search for discussions and opinions in this particular area. So let's look at social and see what it has to say. So let's go click, see what happens. So it's going to give us some key trends and it's going to give us things I can use in social media or from social media or both. So we're looking at the growing sectors of job trends: healthcare, technology and AI, cybersecurity, environmental sciences. And then we also see evolving roles: hybrid, remote, AI enhanced professions, and declining sectors: transportation and manufacturing. Emerging fields: mental health, AI ethics and governance, personalized recruitment. Isn't this useful? Because each of these has a source. It's going to tell you where it's from. That one was from Reddit, so that's okay, but not great. It's mostly opinion. This is another one from Reddit. Let's see if we can find something a little bit. Oh, it's mostly Reddit because in social media, oftentimes you find lots of opinions in Reddit. So if you're wanting to do something that has a particular focus, you can do that. Now, I could also do this and ask it for an academic focus instead, or ask it for a video focus instead, and it will find the same thing for me. It's a really useful tool. I recommend it, perplexity.ai.